Windows 10 will be available for everyone on July 29th as a free upgrade that you can install on the PC you already have. And if you're interested in getting a new one, stores will be filling up with new PCs that include Windows 10 and were designed for Windows 10. And you'll see that selection increase and grow well into this fall. One of the first things you'll notice is that Windows 10 feels really familiar. There's the desktop and the taskbar, and of course, the Start menu is back. You'll find the most used apps that you're launching every day, but right next to them here you see live tiles, which let you personalize and customize the way Windows looks and works for you, showing the information that you care about most and making those things that are most important available at a glance or at your fingertips. Windows 10 also includes the world's only personal digital assistant. That's Cortana. Cortana is built right into the Windows 10 experience. You can click here to type, and when you click, Cortana is available with helpful information that's related to your interests. She can inform you about news and information. She can let you know if it's time to leave for a meeting because traffic is bad. And at any time, you can ask Cortana interesting questions. She's incredibly smart because her intelligence is based in the cloud, and she's scouring the internet, learning about everything.
Knowledge is knowing a tomato is a fruit. Wisdom is not putting it in a fruit salad.
Cortana's capabilities go beyond just answering questions. You can say to Cortana, "Write an email for me," and she'll listen to what you're saying, create the email, and make it easy to send. You can ask Cortana to give you a reminder at a particular time, at a particular place, or even when you're talking to a particular person. And Cortana's abilities don't stop on your PC. Cortana's capability extends to your smartphone as well, whether you have a Windows phone, where Cortana is built right in, or on an iPhone or Android phone, you can install the Cortana app so that those reminders and questions that you have can get taken care of wherever you are. Not only did we build a personal assistant into Windows 10, but imagine if your computer could actually recognize you automatically when you sat right down at it, so you didn't have to go through the bother of typing in a password. This is Windows Hello. With Windows Hello, the hardware of a new PC can determine that it's you, whether that's using your face or your fingerprint, sign you in instantly and easily so all your stuff is available in just a second. One of the great new things in Windows 10 that can help you be more productive is our brand new web browser, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge was designed to be incredibly fast and compatible with the web as you know it today, but also to include 3 great capabilities that will help you get more done on the web. First, Microsoft Edge makes it possible for you to take notes and write down your thoughts directly on web pages. If you have a PC that includes a pen or a stylus, you can write freehand, and if not, you can click and apply your comments to the web using the keyboard and mouse you're already familiar with. And once you've done that, you can share those thoughts and ideas with anyone, marking up the internet in a way that hasn't been possible before. Microsoft Edge also tries hard to make it incredibly efficient as you read and research content on the internet. It has a built-in reading view that simplifies the way web pages look, removes distractions, and gives you a personalized way to read and consume content on the web in a way that's familiar and comfortable to you. And then last, Microsoft Edge has Cortana built right in. So the idea of a personal digital assistant who understands your interests and cares is right there at the moment you need her while you're browsing the web. You know, we can't talk about Windows 10 and helping you be more productive without talking about apps. From the Photos app that gets all the pictures on whatever smartphone you have onto your PC, to the music app that lets you curate your playlists and share that across all your devices, to Maps, Outlook Mail, Outlook Calendar, and more, there's a full, rich set of capabilities that are built right into Windows 10, so you're able to be effective right out of the box. We're building a new version of Office that was designed for Windows 10. These apps are touch-first and optimized for viewing, quick edits, note-taking, and comments. When you're on the go with your tablet, they're fast, fluid, and they give you an immersive, hands-on experience that helps you work in a more modern way. Okay, enough about productivity. I know what you really want to know is how Windows 10 is going to be more fun, and we have a great story around gaming. Windows 10 is going to support the games that you already play and have a store filled with new games of all types that take advantage of incredible graphics technology in today's PCs. These games will look beautiful and they'll help you connect with other people in new ways because we're bringing Xbox Live to the PC. You'll be able to earn achievements, connect with friends, and see all of those things in the new Xbox app that's built right into Windows 10. And even better, if you have an Xbox One console, we're going to connect the PC device that you have in any other room of your house to the console in your family room. Yes, you'll be able to play your Xbox One games streaming over your home network directly on your PC. Windows 10 was built for today's modern computing. It crosses devices, it delivers a personal experience, it helps you get things done, and it's way more fun. You're going to be excited to get Windows 10 yourself, a free upgrade, starting on July 29th and available on a wide range of amazing new PCs.
Today we announced two new capabilities of Windows 10 designed to make your computing more personal and more secure. We want to make your interactions with computing devices more like interacting with another person. So the first capability we call Windows Hello, where your computing devices recognize you. This technology then gets you in securely with less hassle than a password into your computer. From there we have the new feature Microsoft Passport. Microsoft Passport allows you to get into your applications and online content without the need for a password at all. More secure and easier to use.
It's built on a technology called asymmetric key cryptography. It's the kind of technology that powers things like smart cards. It's how you verify web servers. It's used by cell phones to verify networks. It's a technology that's been around for a long time. It's well proven, but it's never made its way into something that real consumers can use. With Windows Hello, you can use your fingerprint, face, or iris, and you get enterprise-grade security with nothing that attackers are able to steal. They can't watch you enter your PIN, they can't steal your password. You get all of that security that an IT organization would expect from smart cards with the familiarity and personal experience of Windows Hello.
And this technology we've developed over the years, based on what we've learned with Kinect, early versions of Kinect, we've evolved that and included it right into Windows. It uses new infrared technology that makes it much more reliable in different lighting conditions, with cosmetics, with facial hair. And this is part of what allows us to get that facial recognition all the way up to what we call enterprise grade, over 1 in 100,000 false accept rate. So there can be a trusted way to recognize you and authenticate you, both in the enterprise and your work environment, but also at home as a consumer, unlocking your Microsoft Passport as you're visiting online sites and content.
Microsoft Passport will work with your Microsoft account, it'll work with Azure Active Directory and the thousands of web services that work with Azure Active Directory. But we wanted to build something that would also work with other sites and services. So we joined the FIDO Alliance so we could contribute this technology and make it available so it could be used across devices you use every day against all the different websites and services you use every day. As a hacker, if I get a hold of your password, I can use that from anywhere. But with Microsoft Passport, the key is actually bound in hardware to my device. So the only way a hacker can use my identity is to actually steal the device. Now, when you use Microsoft Passport with Windows Hello, that means not only does the attacker have to steal my device, but they also have to be able to use my biometric, like my face, my fingerprint, or my iris, which is super challenging.
We have anti-spoofing capabilities built in so that you can't use a photograph or a selfie on someone's phone to log in and impersonate someone else. But that's part of the promise, is you're not logging into the website with your face. You have possession of your device, you're unlocking the device with your face, and then your device is authenticating on your behalf. Windows Hello was designed with privacy in mind. It never stores an image of your face or your iris on the device. Instead, it authenticates you locally and then unlocks Microsoft Passport, which then cryptographically authenticates you with the websites and applications that you visit. And that way, your biometric information is never transmitted and used in a way where someone else could recreate that information.
You may have seen in the news in the last year that a Russian hacker posted 1.2 billion passwords on the net. Now, given that we only have around 2 billion users online, that's not great for users. But with technology like Microsoft Passport, when attackers are able to compromise servers, there's nothing for them to steal. There's nothing there that can compromise your identity. If they control one of those servers, all they get are a bunch of public keys, which aren't useful to the attacker at all.
So it's all about making your computing experiences easier to use and more secure at the same time.